You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people. But before me start the video here, I want to tell the people, a lot of people me notice I watch the channel and them probably not realize so them don't click the subscribe button or them don't click the notification button. So you see before I go any further in that video here, people just take the time out to click the subscribe button and then turn on post notification. So anytime I upload video, nobody now have to tell us say, yo, you know, say Chad just upload a video. You go see it off out by your phone. So me I give you 5 seconds of silence. Me don't know if a 5 seconds that. But anyway, let me get to the story them now. Yo, Chris Gayle buy one brand new Bentley. Custom built Bentley that is. You know, some of they try estimate the value of the Bentley. But me do some research and me don't want to put out a wrong figure. So me just make Uno tell me how much you feel say that Bentley a cost. Yo, him buy it a couple months ago, you know. But him just a ship it go Jamaica right now for him birthday. And him, you know, say him keep a hot birthday party. When? The 20, I think this weekend. This weekend would be the 21st, 2nd, something like so. I don't remember. But another that we are talking about now, the man are the first Jamaican to have a Bentley in the island. Yo, that's a milestone. No more food, no Azan, no the role of them leeching rich people. No, Chris Gayle, the little cricketer Chris Gayle, are the first Jamaican to import in a Bentley. And a normal Bentley, as I said, this is a custom built Bentley. And me do a little research again. Are the first man in the Caribbean for importing a Bentley. So it's not only in a Jamaica, but in the Caribbean for carrying a Bentley. And you know say Chris Gayle love cars, you know, man, because that man have a fleet of cars, you see me? But him keep them in a Miami home. So at the first, the man forward in the island with a Bentley. Yo, me feel proud of him. You see me? If you know say I want a little ghetto youth, well, I don't know if him come from ghetto. Him come from ghetto. And then a road rich youth, a cricket make the man the way him there. You see me? And if you know say him a put him money to good use because him have the mansions. I mean I say one, I say mansions. You see me? The man have the estates. You see me? And him just a add to him collection and it's a good look. I don't know say yo him own triple century already. And that's one of the hottest restaurant in a Kingston, if not Jamaica. You know what I mean? So it's a good look for a little cricketer. I go and do him thing. I might add again a whole heap. I think the boss are achieving this past couple weeks, you know. The man go 2 million followers on Instagram. Well done. Well done. The man do it without controversy. Unlike some other cricketer, I nah call the name still cause right now I get to kind of rate him. And you know who me I talk, but comment him name in the comment section. I make the other people when they know what go on, you see me? So Chris Gayle is a good look, and on top of buying the Bentley, the man make sure say buy him daughter one as well. Yeah, him little daughter, the man buy one Bentley. Oh, no, not the actual size Bentley as a regular car. I one of them little toy Hot Wheels car. The Hot Wheels, I never know. The little car them where you sit down in and drive. Me never really get none of them car when me a little youth, you know, because I grew up poor, you see me? Yeah, but same color, same everything, custom built and everything. It's a good look. Congrats, you see me? Keep it up. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and people, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and subscribe. I'm at like 800 and probably 20 now, or probably 810 somewhere there. I'm trying to go 1,000 subscribers. That's my first like short-term goal, you see me? And I'm almost there. So keep referring me to other persons for watch, keep sharing my video, keep clicking the like, keep commenting, keep all doing all of those good stuff. Keep it up. We are almost there. Cause enough for me alone, enough for everybody I feel we. You see me? And I'm glad for the people who were there from earlier on, cause yo, we are go big, you know. We are go big. But thank God for the people who were there from start. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And people check out the previous video what me do with the Twins of Twins Stir It Up review. Me I give away a copy as Twins of Twins Stir It Up. That are 11 and a half, you see me? And if you're not listening it yet, go and go check it out. It depend them channel. Me I go leave the link in the description below. Me I give away 2 copy. You see me? Me I give away 2 copy. Cause I review it and it bad. And I say, you know what, me I support them out here. And me I give away 2 copy. So go on, go watch the review and enter for a chance to win. You can win. I don't know. Now, even if you win, you can still buy back one for somebody. You see me? I say things. Don't forget to follow me on IG at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAMDJ CHADDY. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
Ready.
Beside the more, I'm going to Virgin. I'm in there.